Welcome to Daily Talk Lessons. Let's improve your English and speak with confidence. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. We're so happy you're here with us today. If you're new, subscribe so you don't miss our daily episodes.
So, Tom, how was your morning? Did you get that email sent to your client?
Yes, I sent it, but I'm worried it sounded too direct.
Too direct? What do you mean?
Well, I wrote, I want to know if you received my design files. But then I thought, maybe that sounds demanding. My stomach kind of tightened when I hit send.
Oh, Tom, you know what would make that sound better?
What?
One tiny word. Just. I just wanted to know if you received my design files.
Wait, really? One word makes that big a difference?
Absolutely. And that's exactly what we're talking about today.
Let me guess. The word just?
You got it. Today we're talking about just. J-U-S-T. 4 letters that can completely transform how you sound in English.
Transform? That's a big claim.
I'm serious. Just is probably the most underrated word in English. Native speakers use it constantly, but most learners don't know how. It's like the secret ingredient in your grandmother's recipe. The dish tastes fine without it, but with it, magic.
A secret ingredient. I like that metaphor. Okay, I know just means only, right? Like, I have just one question.
Yes, that's one meaning, but just has at least 7 different uses, and each one makes you sound more natural, more native, more real.
Just 7 uses for such a small word.
7. And once you learn them, your English will never sound textbook again. You know that feeling when you discover a shortcut you wish you'd known years ago? That's just.
Okay, I'm ready. Teach me this magic word.
All right, let's start with the most common use. Just as only or merely.
Okay, only. I think I know this one.
Good. So when you want to say something is small or not a big deal, you use just. For example, it's a mistake versus it's just a mistake.
It's just a mistake. That sounds softer, less serious.
Exactly. You're minimizing it. You're saying, don't worry, it's not a big deal.
So if Lily is upset about something, I can say, it's just a misunderstanding.
Perfect. You're making it sound less serious, less dramatic. Just takes the pressure off.
That's actually really useful. What about, I'm just tired?
Yes. I'm just tired means I'm only tired. Nothing worse. Don't worry about me.
Okay, I'm getting this. Just makes things sound smaller, less important.
Exactly. Now, the second meaning, just as exactly or precisely.
Exactly? How does that work?
When something is perfect, when it's exactly what you need, you say, that's just what I needed.
Oh, so just emphasizes that it's perfect.
Yes, it's not close to what you needed. It's exactly, precisely what you needed. This coffee is just what I needed.
I could use a coffee right now. That would be just what I need.
See? You're already using it naturally.
I am. What about just right, like in the Goldilocks story?
Perfect example. This porridge is just right. Not too hot, not too cold, exactly right.
I love that phrase. It sounds so satisfied.
It does. Okay, third meaning, just as recently or a moment ago.
Oh, like I just arrived.
Exactly. I just got here means I arrived very recently, maybe 1 minute ago.
So if someone calls me and asks where I am, I can say, I just left the office.
Perfect. You left very recently. You're probably still walking to your car.
What about, I just saw Lily?
Yes, maybe 5 minutes ago, maybe an hour ago, but recently, not yesterday.
Got it. Recent past, not distant past.
Exactly. Now, fourth meaning, just as simply. This one is super common.
Simply? Can you give me an example?
Sure. Just do it. You've heard that phrase, right?
Of course. Nike.
Right. Just do it means simply do it. Don't overthink. Don't complicate.
So it's like removing all the obstacles and getting straight to the action.
Perfect explanation. Another example, just tell me the truth.
Or just be yourself.
Exactly. Simply be yourself. Very common phrase.
I like this meaning. It's very direct and encouraging.
It is. Okay, fifth meaning, just as a little bit.
A little bit? How?
Can you move just a little to the left? You're not asking them to move far, just a tiny bit.
Oh, so just makes the request smaller and less demanding.
Yes. Wait just a second. Not a long time, just a very short moment.
Can I have just a small piece of cake?
Perfect. You're emphasizing that you only want a little bit. You're being polite and modest.
This is so useful. Just keeps making things sound softer.
That's the beauty of it. Now, sixth meaning, and this is the one that will really change your English, just to soften requests.
Soften requests? What do you mean?
Okay, imagine you want to ask me a question. You could say, I want to ask you something. That sounds direct, maybe even demanding.
Yeah, I can hear that. It sounds very serious.
Now listen to this. I just wanted to ask you something. How does that sound?
Softer, more polite, less pushy.
Exactly. Just makes your request sound casual, friendly, not demanding. Without just, your English is like a robot's voice. Accurate, but cold. With just, it's like a warm conversation with a friend.
Oh, wow. So that's why you said I should write, I just wanted to know instead of I want to know.
Yes. I want to know sounds like a demand. I just wanted to know sounds like a polite question.
Can I practice this?
Of course.
I was wondering if you could help me. That sounds polite, right?
It does, but you can make it even softer. I was just wondering if you could help me.
It sounds even more casual, like I'm not putting pressure on you.
Exactly. You're downplaying your request. I wanted to say thank you versus I just wanted to say thank you.
The second one sounds warmer, more sincere. This is actually life-changing, and my brain is screaming, why didn't anyone tell me about this sooner?
You're learning. This is probably the most important use of just for learners.
I'm going to use this in every email now.
Please do. Okay, seventh and final meaning, just for emphasis, to make something stronger.
Emphasis? But I thought just made things softer.
It can do both. It depends on context and tone. Listen, that movie was amazing versus that movie was just amazing.
The second one sounds more enthusiastic?
Yes, you're emphasizing how amazing it was.
So the same word can minimize and emphasize?
Exactly. English is fun, right?
Fun is one word for it.
Another example. This is ridiculous. Versus, this is just ridiculous.
The second one sounds more frustrated.
Right, you're emphasizing your frustration. What about positive things? Like, you're just the best.
Perfect. You're emphasizing how great they are. I'm going to tell Lily that tonight.
She'll love it. Okay, Tom, so we've covered 7 meanings, but how do I know which one to use?
Great question.
Honestly, it comes from context and practice, but here's a tip. Pay attention to native speakers. Listen to movies, podcasts, TV shows. Count how many times you hear just.
I bet it's a lot.
It's so much. I probably say just 50 times a day without even thinking about it.
50 times?
At least. It's one of those words that just sneaks into everything.
Wait, you just used it. Sneaks into everything.
See, I didn't even notice. That's how natural it is.
So the goal is to use it so much that I don't even think about it.
Exactly. You want it to become automatic. You know what I realized? When I don't use just, I sound like a robot, like a textbook. Just is like adding butter to bread. The bread is fine, but butter makes it smooth and delicious.
Another food metaphor. But you're right. I want to tell you something sounds very stiff. I just wanted to tell you something sounds human and warm.
So just is basically the word that makes you sound like a real person?
Yes, that's a great way to put it.
I wish someone had taught me this years ago.
Well, you know it now, and you're going to start using it everywhere.
I am, starting today. Just watch me.
There it is again. Anna, before we go to vocabulary, can you give me some really common phrases with just?
Absolutely. Let me give you 10 phrases you'll hear all the time.
I'm ready.
Just a second. Wait a short moment. Just in case. As a precaution. Just wondering. I was curious. Just saying. Don't be offended. Just kidding. I was joking.
Those are gold.
Just now. Very recently. Just about. Almost. Just because. That's the only reason. Just so you know. FYI. And finally, just like that. Suddenly, easily.
These 10 phrases will cover so many situations.
They really will. Use them every day.
You know what, Anna? When I first started learning English, I always felt like I sounded stiff, like a robot reading from a manual. I can feel it in my chest when I hear someone say, "I want to know." It's so heavy.
That's such a common feeling. I hear that from my students all the time.
And now I realize it's because I wasn't using words like just. Those little words, just, actually, kind of, they add warmth and naturalness.
They make you sound human.
Can I ask you something else? When should I not use just?
Oh, great question. First, in formal writing, like academic papers or business reports.
Because it's too informal?
Exactly. The data shows just a small increase. Sounds too informal.
What else?
Second, when you want to be very direct and assertive. If someone keeps interrupting you, don't say, "I just want you to stop." That sounds weak. Say, "I want you to stop interrupting me."
Oh, I see. Just makes it sound less serious, but sometimes you need to be serious.
Exactly. If you're angry, if you're setting a limit, skip the just.
And third, avoid overusing just when you're already being polite. Don't stack politeness.
Right. Don't say, "I was just wondering if you could possibly maybe help me just a little bit." That's too much.
That sentence hurt to hear.
1 or 2 softeners is enough.
Okay, so use just, but don't go overboard.
Exactly. Balance is key.
Anna, how do I practice using just? What's the best way to make it automatic?
Great question. Here's what I tell my students. First, this week, pay attention every time you hear just. In movies, podcasts, conversations.
So passive listening first.
Right. Then, active practice. Every time you're about to make a request, add just. Can you help me? Becomes, can you just help me?
So I should consciously add it until it becomes unconscious.
Exactly. At first you have to think about it, but after a few weeks, it'll feel natural.
That's encouraging. I'm going to start today.
You should, and here's a fun challenge. Try to use just 10 times in conversations today.
10 times? That's a lot.
It's really not. Once you start, you'll see how easy it is. Hey, Lily, I just got home. I just finished this project. Want to just order pizza tonight?
Okay, challenge accepted. 10 times today.
Perfect. And one more tip. Pay attention to your tone. Just sounds different depending on how you say it.
Different how?
If you say, I just wanted to help you, with stress on just, it sounds defensive.
Oh, I can hear that. The emphasis changes the feeling.
But if you say, I just wanted to help you, with stress on help, it sounds sincere.
So tone matters just as much as the word itself.
Absolutely. English is all about intonation and stress.
Okay, I think I'm ready to master just.
I think you are too.
Okay, before we go to vocabulary, quick question for our listeners. Do you use just in your English? Tell us in the comments.
Yes, we want to know. All right, let's review some vocabulary.
Vocabulary time.
First phrase, just a second. Just a second. Wait a short moment. Just a second. I'm almost ready.
Just a second. Just a second.
Second phrase, just in case. Just in case. As a precaution. Bring a jacket just in case.
Just in case. Just in case.
Third phrase, just wondering. Just wondering. I was curious. I was just wondering if you need help.
Just wondering. Just wondering.
Fourth phrase, just saying. Just saying. I'm just mentioning this. That color doesn't suit you. Just saying.
Just saying. Just saying.
Fifth phrase, just kidding. Just kidding. I was joking. You failed the test. Just kidding.
Just kidding. Just kidding.
Sixth phrase, just now. Just now. Very recently. I finished just now.
Just now. Just now.
Seventh phrase, just about. Just about. Almost. Nearly. I'm just about done.
Just about. Just about.
Eighth phrase, just because. Just because. That's the only reason. I'm not angry just because you were late.
Just because. Just because.
Ninth phrase, just so you know. Just so you know, FYI. Just so you know, the store closes at 6.
Just so you know. Just so you know.
And finally, just like that. Just like that. Suddenly, easily. She became famous? Just like that.
Just like that. Just like that.
And there you have it. 10 essential phrases with just.
These are gold. Pure gold.
They really are. Use them every day.
All right, that was an amazing lesson about just.
It really was. Remember, just is your secret weapon for sounding natural. Use it to be polite, casual, and real.
Now, a question for you. Tell us in the comments which meaning of just was most surprising to you.
We love reading your answers.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend who wants to sound more natural.
We'll see you tomorrow with another easy conversation.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.